Ever wondered why your knuckles make that satisfying pop sound? It's not what you think. Let's dive into the science. Inside your joints is a space filled with synovial fluid. It's like a built-in lubricant for your body. Cracking pulls bones apart, creating negative pressure that forms gas bubbles. This process is called cavitation. That signature crack is actually the sound of those gas bubbles rapidly collapsing back into the fluid. And no, it doesn't cause arthritis. A researcher proved this by cracking only one hand for 50 years with zero ill effects. It takes 20 minutes for those gases to reset. So remember, it's just physics and gas bubbles doing their thing. Pretty cool, right? Follow for more bite-sized science facts.